So this is the motion with the HDMI cable unplugged. Sideways motion, no problems. Okay, let's attach the cable. This is the motion with the HDMI cable plugged in. As you can see, there's very little movement in the ball close to the cable. The furthest ball moves as it should. What I'm doing here, I'm pressing on the center of the gimbal from the other side. So the cable is clearly restricting the sideways movement of the gimbal. Not so much the other direction. Let's press on the cable itself. This is moving back and forth pretty smoothly.